project on home automation in which we are controlling the lights and fans with the help of relays and Arduino. We are also attempting to control the AC through the use of IR LED, and we have built a laser person count system using two lasers which detects the entry and exit of a person.
The control can be either automatic or manual. In automatic control, we sense light intensity, humidity and temperature. For light intensity, we use a LDR, and for humidity and temperature, we use a SLHS220 module. And through automatic control, we even check how many persons are there in the room. If there are no persons, everything would be off. And if there are some persons in the room, then according to the current conditions, it switches the states of the devices.
In the manual mode, the user input solely determines the state of the devices. The user can give his input through two ways: the website or the push buttons. In the website, he can choose the brightness levels for light. He can choose the fan speeds for fan, and he can choose the temperature and fan speed for AC. Through the push buttons, he can only control the on and off state of light and fan.
This is the laser detection system. As soon as he enters, everything in the room turns on. And when he exits, all of them turn off to save power. As you can see over here, the website also tells the number of persons in the room. Currently there is one person in the room, everything is on, and now when we exit, you can see everything turned off, and it will be updated in the website as you can see over here. This is bulb in auto mode. Currently it's on since it's dark. As more light starts falling on the sensor, it's becoming dimmer until finally it's off. This is AC in auto mode. Currently it's on because the ambient temperature was set to be low and the fan is off to save the power. Now we set the ambient temperature to a higher value. This turns off the AC and turns on the fan. Here is fan in auto mode. The things that we are changing right now are the thresholds which the auto mode uses to set the state of the device. We are doing this since we can't easily change the temperature and humidity of the room in a short time. As you can see, we are changing this in the website, so a user can change these threshold also. We first make it so that fan speed 3 is only above a very high temperature. So currently it's in fan speed 2. Now we make it so that fan speed 2 is also only above a very high temperature. And as you can see, the fan is now at speed 1. The way the auto mode works for AC and fan is that at very high temperatures, the AC would be on and fan would be off. The AC then cools the room to a comfortable level, and at that time the AC turns off and the fan turns on. The speed of the fan depends on both temperature and humidity. Here we set the temperature and humidity above which the fan should be on to a very high value, and as you can see, the fan turns off. We will now see the manual control of light bulb. We can give commands from the website to turn the light on or off. First we turn the light off, and then we turn the light on. Now we change the brightness level and it responds accordingly. The manual mode for fan and AC also works in a similar way. Finally, if you are not a fan of these things, you can always go back to the good old switches. We use push buttons which can toggle the state of the device.
Making the system implementable in a room by mounting it on a PCB and seeing that it is safe for use in a room.
Plan on quantifying the power consumption of the total system so that energy saving procedures can be implemented.
We want to make the website better and have an app to go along with it.